Hello everyone. So my name is Kaushik Agarwal and I'm a second year BTech student at MIT Manipal, and somebody in the comment section asked me that what all things you should pack as a first time going to college. Honestly speaking, when I was going to my college in my first year, I was also very worried about what to take and what not to take, but thankfully my sister helped me through all of it. So today I'll be sharing the things I found most useful which I carried in my first year. First of all, if you're taking not only Manipal, but if you're taking any college in South, which is near beach or like any place generally in South, then it rains a lot there, so you need to carry an umbrella. An umbrella is a must. Now I'm not talking about a huge umbrella. You need a small umbrella which you can fit in your bag, and it's very easy to carry anywhere because you need to carry it all the time. Even if you're going to eat food or anything you're going around, you need that. So it should be very, like what you say, travel friendly and very small and compact. Another thing, a lot of college students are worried about whether they can carry electronic items like kettle and their hair dryers or any other gadgets like iron or any other gadgets. So basically, I don't know about other colleges, but in MIT Manipal you can see. Okay, I'll tell you two ways. One way is that you can carry as many electronic gadgets as you want, and you can tell the warden and then they'll ask you charge. So basically for a kettle it's 300 rupees per month. But there's a catch. You can sneak in also, which I did. You can carry kettle, straightener, blow, hair dryer, anything you can carry. So, and you don't need to inform them because basically they can't come in your room. So when you go into college, they'll ask you that do you have any extra appliances, this and that, our electricity bill will come. You just have to say straight no and confidently. Okay, you just say no and then they'll be fine. They can't come into your room without knocking, and even if someday because you didn't do your you didn't sign or you didn't do something, then they might come to your room. Then also they'll knock and come. So you can just you can. I mean, we have to save money. We are in college and we are grown-ups. Okay. Another thing, since it's an engineering college, so a lot of people think that we need very hi-fi laptop for coding or programming and all of these things, but no, a simple laptop will work. But you do need a laptop. So a basic laptop with i5 or above. You don't need MacBook or anything. Also, you don't need any gaming card or etc. Simple laptop, which is lightweight, so you can carry easily, is good, more than enough. Also, because again it rains a lot, so you need footwear which you can wear in rainy season. So basically flip-flops or your Crocs or footwear like those. You don't want to ruin your expensive shoes, so you need footwear which looks good also, not your toilet slippers, but which looks good also, and you can wear them to your classes also. Yeah. And then so now let's come to the basic things. These are the most essential things I found very useful. Also, extension cord. So basically, if you want to charge your phone, your laptop and your earphones also at the same time, so you need an extension cord, which is very useful. It was very useful for me because in my room I only got one plug point. So at a time I need to use my laptop also, I needed to charge my phone also, I needed to charge my earphones also. So I connected my extension cord to that plug, and I had a 4-pin extension cord, so that is more than enough. You can take that. Now coming to the basics, you need a quilt and a blanket. Then you need 2-3 bed sheets, pillow covers, and also take the printouts of all your documents like your 12th result, 10 mark sheet, your TC, all those documents you need to take out the printout. That is basic. You can get printout there also, but then you have to run through libraries, and also it's basic. You keep better you keep before. Yeah, that's it. And also if you're worried about more things like your bucket and your mug and the mattress, so in Manipal you get 2 kits. So one is a it's a stationery kit in which you get a water bottle, you get pen, you get a notebook. You need more notebooks, but I'm telling for like what all you get. So you get that thing. And another kit you get a pillow, you get a mattress, and you get a bucket, and you get a mug. So these things you get in college. Moreover, if you are traveling from a place which is very far, so basically you're traveling through flight, so you can't carry a lot of things. So try to carry necessary things like blanket and all, which you like, quilt and blanket, which is not, it's not that cold, but yeah, quilt and blanket, a comforter and all will work. You don't need a proper blanket. Yeah. So, and a lot of things like your basic toiletries and all, you can buy from college also. So in college also there's a shop where you get all the stuff, like all the stuff from A to Z, from your washing powder, your soap, your detergent, everything you get there. And also that's a little expensive, so it's better when you're going for the first time getting the stuff for a room, then you should go D-Mart. It's a little far from college, but there the prices are very good, and it's like a mega store, so you get all the stuff. You can get all snacks, you can get dustbin, and all the things you can get from there. So I got for my time, I got from there only. I got dustbin, and I got mats, and I got a lot of stuff from there itself, so you can check out there. And also don't worry, in case something you forgot to pack, then very easily it's available, you can get from there. Also, a lot of you, most of you must have gotten their UPI activated, but in case if you haven't, then you can check out FamPay and OmniPay. So in my first year I wasn't 18, so my UPI wasn't activated. So I had a joint account with my parents, and also for UPI I used FamPay for 1 year. So this year I got my UPI. So FamPay is very nice. It has a limit, but if you do your PAN card, you get your PAN card. Once you get your PAN card made, then you can extend your limit. And if you have your hostel and mess fees paid, then you can do within limit, and also you can pay 30 rupees extra and you can do. So it's not an ad, I've actually used FamPay, and OmniPay is also good, I've heard from my friends. And also if you are night owls like me, then you need to carry a night lamp also, because you don't want to disturb your roommate, right? So you can keep night lamp, a basic small night lamp, or a small mirror if you are a girl, to get ready. Though you will get a mirror in your room, but like if your room is triple sharing, you will get only one mirror. So it is sometimes a very little hectic or chaotic because if everyone needs to get ready at the same time. So it's better if you carry your own mirror. Also basic t-shirts. And talking about the weather, so it's not very cold, so you don't need jackets and all those mega jackets and all fur jackets. Basic sweatshirts and t-shirts will work. And then yeah, because most of these, not only Manipal but most of the engineering colleges are very huge, and they're like near these very areas with a lot of plantation and greenery. So you need to keep saying hi to insects and other animals there. So what you can do is to protect yourselves from mosquitoes, please keep a mosquito repellent, like it's a must. So you keep a Good Night or any other company, just keep a mosquito repellent in case if your room has mosquitoes. And then keep lots and lots of homemade snacks. Also carry newspapers or sheet covers to put in your cupboards underneath your clothes, because there's a lot of moisture there. So after some time there's some white fungi on your clothes, so you need to put covers and then your clothes, so you can keep newspaper. And keep naphthalene balls also to absorb moisture and to ward off insects and all moisture absorbent are the best work. And a tote bag for our fashion girlies there. And also you can carry your paintings or your personal stuff which you want to decorate your room, fairy lights and all, so that it feels like home. Also you need one pair of earphones for sure, because all the time you're talking in the room or anywhere, you don't want to disturb your roommates. So yeah, That's it, I guess. You can you should carry one water bottle which is hot and cold, so if you have some cough and cold, you can drink hot water from there. uh, yeah, and kettle and all I already told, and a basic set of medicines. Although there is a student clinic in the campus and then there is a hospital though, but then basic medicines like paracetamol and some sprays for any, like basic kit you make for medicines, and keep that with yourself. Some basic cough syrup, some basic fever medicine, and some medicine if you get hurt and all, and Borolene and all you should keep. Also your skincare stuff and all, you that too you will pack yourself, and some nice dresses and clothes too for going out. Yeah, so you should keep moisture absorbent or naphthalene balls in that case to ward off insects and all these problems, and put newspaper or some covers before keeping your clothes in the cupboard. Also carry baskets to arrange your stuff, and like 2-3 baskets, one basket to keep your comb and all your skincare and all. For boys I don't know, but for girls, yeah, you can keep 2-3 baskets to arrange all your stuff. One basket you can keep for stationery, and one for all the skincare products, and one you can keep to carry your toiletries to the bathroom. You can keep a basket. Like, how will you carry in your hand if you have more than 2-3 stuff, if you have a common bathroom? So that is one thing. Yeah, and yeah, I think I covered most of the stuff, and you can comment if anything you think is useful. Also, don't forget to carry one pair of scissors and a knife and a peeler if you're gonna buy fruits, and then in case you need to cut them and all. Also, don't forget to keep all these things in your big cabin, not a big luggage, and not in your cabin crew, otherwise you won't be able to check in the airport itself. And also carry a power bank and carry bags. You need lots and lots of carry bags. If you're going to give your clothes to laundry, you need a carry bag. If you're buying something, you need a carry bag. So carry lots of carry bags. And a laundry basket, like it's like that. It's 50-50. If you want, you can keep it. It's nice only. If you don't want, then you can make a heap of clothes on your bed and then give them to laundry, or as you wish, anywhere you can make a heap. Yeah, that's it. Also carry lots of homemade snacks. Believe me, you may not like them right now, but once you will taste the tasty mess food, you will get to like homemade food. So keep lots of that, and keep smiling. Get lots and lots of confidence, and don't get scared at all. I know you might be a little bit, but college is fun, college is nice. And if you're confident and be like full extrovert, just go and talk to people and explore new things, and you don't need to worry about what others think, because it's a big ass engineering college. You don't need to worry about what others will think. They won't even remember your name. So that huge the college is, and that amount of people you'll meet every day. So talk to people. Yeah, that's it. And also, most importantly, keep headstrong values. Do not indulge in all the malpractices happening in the college. So you should promise yourself that too. And I wish you all the best for your college. Yeah, that's it. Bye. And for girls, keep some casual clothes for college, some party wear clothes, and also some traditional clothes. Same goes with boys. Keep some kurtas also, because there will be events coming up like Navratri and Dandiya, Navratri basically, then Raksha Bandhan, then you have Janmashtami. So on all these occasions, you are required to wear traditional clothes. So keep 2-3 pair of traditional clothes also. Diwali also, if you are not coming back home, so keep 2-3 pairs of your traditional clothes also. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. I hope I wish you all the best, and I hope your college journey and your college years are the best years of your life, and you enjoy a lot and make a lot of memories and have a lot of fun. And I made this huge ass list for you guys, so please acknowledge. It's for your own good.